everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soccer training academy business. So I am an owner of a soccer training academy business and I receive a lot of queries by the customers on WhatsApp as a message. Now replying to each one of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I have created this bot, automatically whenever I am going to receive a message by the customer, a query on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to send them a reply. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot for yourself, for your business using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your soccer training academy business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created is going to work in real time according to customers' point of view. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, this is the bot right here, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message which is going to be, "Hey, I want to join your training session." Okay, so this is the message I'm going to send towards this bot. Automatically this bot is going to reply to my message. "Hello, welcome to Goldmaster Soccer Academy." This is the welcome message, and you can see right over here these are the options. I'm going to select this join training now option right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, I have received the message automatically from this bot, and you can see that this bot is going to automatically reply to all the messages that I'm going to send towards it. And as this bot is auto replying in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build this bot for yourself, for your business, step by step without knowing a single line of coding and programming skills. And we are going to create this amazing bot using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am the existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool for businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number, and as soon as you click on this button, there are two methods right here: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn any of the methods in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find the links of the videos I've added in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcasts, flows, AI assistant settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature that Pabbly Chatflow provides in brief, you can check out the videos I've added in the description box below. In order to create a new bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, go towards this flow section right over here. The flow builder page is then going to appear in front of you. And in order to create a new flow, click on this add flow button on the top right corner right here. A new flow has been created, and firstly I'm going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your soccer training academy business. This is the name I want to give to the flow. After naming the flow, it says flow start. How this flow or the bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have entered few keywords in this field, and any of the customers sends those keywords as a message on WhatsApp. This flow from here is going to be triggered. Now over here next is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected template over here in this field, and you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message towards all your contacts and towards the template customers replies. Then over here this flow is going to be triggered. Next is regex, which is a short for regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. In this video, I have a special regex character which is going to be triggered by any of the messages forwarded to us by the customer on WhatsApp. So I'm going to enter that special character character right here. So this is that regex character right over here. Using this special character, the flow is going to be triggered by any of the message that we receive from our customers towards our bot. Okay, if you want to use this regex for your flow as well, you can find it that I've added in the description box below. Okay, so now after this flow is going to be triggered by any of the queries received from our customer, what is the first message that should be forwarded by this bot towards them? Firstly, I want to share a picture of a training picture towards the customer, and attached to it I want to send a welcome message with number of options. So in order to first attach an image, I'm going to drag the point of this flow start, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media type is going to be image. If you use video, audio, document, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. I'm going to select the media type over here as image. After selecting the media type over here, I'm going to upload the file. You can either paste the media URL right here, upload it directly from here. So this is the training image. I'm going to open it over here in this message directly. Okay, so you can see the image is automatically been uploaded. Now with this image, I also want to send a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on this add content button. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the welcome message over here is going to be, so I have written this message right here. Hello, welcome to Goldmaster Soccer Academy. I have sent a welcome message. Now I have to add some options in this message. For adding the options, I'm going to add a button in this message. So I'm going to click on this add button. I want to add 3 buttons. So I'm going to click on this add button 3 times. In a message, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons only. Now we are going to name all these buttons. So over here, the name of the buttons are going to be, so these are the name of my buttons. You can see right over here, that is join training now, know our coach, and fees and timing. Okay, so these are the 3 buttons that I've added with this welcome message and this image. So what are the messages that should be forwarded towards the customer if they select any of these buttons? So for that, I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the join training now, I'm going to write over here as, so this is the message for the join training now. That's great. To join our trading program, please fill out this form. I have attached this form link right over here. If I'm going to copy this link from here and open it in a new tab right here, this is the form that I've created using Google Forms, with the help of which a person can book themselves and join the training in my Soccer Training Academy. Okay, so I've attached the link right over here. After that, over here it says, once submitted, our team will contact you shortly. Would you like to know anything else? For that, contact us. For the contact us, I'm going to add a button of contact us right here. So I'm going to name the button over here as, so this is the button with the help of which this customer can know about our contact details like our email address and our phone number. So for the message for this contact us, drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for this contact us, I'm going to write it as, so this is the contact us message over here. This is the location, phone number, and the email. Now right here you can see in front of a text and in the end of a text, I have added 2 stars. This is because I wanted to make this sentence over here formatted as bold. In order to make any of the text bold, what you have to do is, in front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence, add these star symbols, and that text between those 2 stars is going to be formatted as bold. Okay, so with this contact us button, I want to add a button over here as well, that is going to be of back to main menu. Using this button that I've added in this contact us, a customer can go back to this main menu that I've created right here. Okay, if they have any other questions, they can go just select this button and go back to the main menu. So this is the message for the contact us as well. Now I'm going to first rearrange this. Now over here it is asking for know our coach. Using this button, I will send the coach details right here. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the know our coach, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message for the know our coach. Meet our pro coaches. These are all the coach details I've added. You can see right here. Want to start your training today? For this, I want to add a button of this join training now. So I'm going to copy this button name from here, add a button, and paste the name right here. And for the message of this join training now, I want to send the same series of the messages. So I'm going to simply connect this button to this message of this join training now as well. Okay. Now after that, I have this last button left, that is fees and timing. So simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the fees and timing, I'm going to write it as, so this is the button for the fees and timing. Our weekly training schedule, morning batch is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. and the evening is 5 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And these are all the monthly packages, quarterly packages, and the yearly packages right here. Okay, so this is the message for the fees and timing. Now with this button, I also want to add this button, that is contact us. So I'm going to simply copy this name from here of the button, and as I want to add a button, I'm going to click on this add button and paste the name right here. Okay, so for the message of this contact us, I'm going to send the same contact us message. So I'm going to connect the button with this message right here. Okay, so now this is the bot that I've created for my soccer training business. I'm going to rearrange this bot. So this is the bot that I've created. In order to save this bot in my Pabbly Chatflow account, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. As now I've successfully created this bot, in order to test this bot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a WhatsApp message towards this bot with my number, and after that I'm going to check whether automatically this bot replies to my messages or not. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot with my number, I'm going to send a message that is going to be, hey, what is your evening batch timing? So I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. So you can see automatically this bot has replied with a welcome message and number of options with an image right here. Okay, if I'm going to go back and select this option from here of the timing, automatically this bot is going to reply to my messages. You can see right here. And as this bot is automatically replying to the messages, this means that we have successfully created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. So that's how you can also build a fully functional engaging WhatsApp chatbot for your soccer training academy using Pabbly Chatflow. Want to try it out yourself? You can create and test your very own WhatsApp chatbot inside Pabbly Chatflow, and the best part is you get 100 free credits to start with it. So go ahead, start and create your own test bot using Pabbly Chatflow today. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.